Apache Kafka is a powerful tool that helps process large volumes of data in real time. By using Docker, developers can run Kafka inside isolated containers, making setup and deployment more efficient. This combination simplifies the development process and improves system flexibility. Docker is a utility that allows you to execute applications within small, isolated environments known as containers. Apache Kafka is software most big companies utilize to handle vast amounts of data in a timely manner. It is used in collecting logs, streaming real-time data, and passing messages between programs. What is Docker Kafka and how do I use it? What are Kafka Dockers? Prerequisites: before applying Kafka using Docker, you have a few things to do beforehand. Let's note the fundamental steps. 1. Install Docker Compose. Docker Compose is available for Windows, Mac OS, and 64-bit Linux. 2. Assistant, Docker Engine. Docker Compose requires the Docker engine in order to carry out most tasks. You have to install Docker engine on your system, either locally or globally, depending on your environment. 3. Desktop systems. If you are on Mac OS or Windows, Docker Compose typically comes pre-installed with Docker Desktop or Docker Toolbox. What are Broker IDs? A Broker ID assists you in locating all the Kafka brokers, servers, within the cluster. You can configure it in many ways. Automatic topic generation in Kafka Docker. To have Kafka create topics programmatically when it starts, you must include a special configuration named Kafka_create_topics in your Docker compose.yml. Conclusion: we have understood Kafka Docker and how useful it is through this post. With Docker, we can execute an Apache Kafka server inside a container, and our application can easily communicate with it through Docker's network. Kafka Docker enables us to handle data in real time. It is appropriate for collecting a lot of data and delivering it immediately. It is also appropriate for quick microservices to store data securely and persistently. Additionally, Kafka Docker can deliver events to more advanced event streaming systems.